Hello and welcome to Krista So Crafty. I'm happy you're here with me. My name is Krista, and today we're going to be opening box number 14 for the Advent calendar. So today is December the 14th, and I don't know about you, but I don't know where the time has been going. It's been going by so fast. Anyways, December 14th, we need to open box number 14, and I'm not even sure where it is. So let's take a quick peek and see if we can find it right here. I have a feeling might be some more markers. Let's open it up and just see. Now the ones I've received so far, they've been very cool. I've been enjoying them. There's been a couple projects that I've used them for. Yeah, I just, I think they're not really the best colors for Christmas. That's where I have a little bit of the problem, is they're not Christmas themed colors and for an Advent calendar. All right, so here we have some highlighters. So we received a couple highlighters in one of the other box openings. This is by LYJ. They're highlighters. There's a pink and a purple. You see those? So again, let's pull out our trusty little notepad over here and check them out. These are double-sided, so they make a nice mark with that side, and then this one is more of a fine tip, so it makes a smaller line. You see that? And then of course the purple is going to be the same, but let's try. Open that up. Purple. The purple is a very pretty color. Goes on very nice. Let's fit on nice and tight. There we go. Show you that nice and close. So again, we have some nice highlighters. Now, if you are into journaling, or if you have your own calendars that you write, the daily calendars, these would be wonderful for that. You could have a color for birthdays, a color for anniversaries, or you could do whatever you want, right? So very nice. Again, throw these in with our stash of markers and highlighters and what are they? Pencil crayons and like little ink pens that we've got. These will go nice in with that. So I'm glad you're joining me today, and this is a very short little video. So thank you, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting.